Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what happens if your Robinhood deposit fails. A failed deposit on Robinhood, also known as an ACH reversal, happens when a transfer is requested but then canceled or rejected by your bank. The most common reason is insufficient funds in your linked bank account. Other reasons include using an incompatible account type, like some savings accounts with transaction limits, or incorrect bank details. The immediate consequence is that the pending transfer is canceled. If you used Robinhood's instant deposit feature, which allows you to trade with the money before the deposit officially clears, the instant funds from that deposit will be immediately removed from your Robinhood account balance. If you already used those instant deposit funds to buy securities, and the deposit then fails, your Robinhood account may go into a deficit or a negative cash balance. When this occurs, you must cover the deficit immediately, either by making a new, successful deposit or by selling some of your current positions. Failing to resolve the deficit quickly can lead to your account being restricted or, in serious or repeated cases, even closed. Robinhood will typically send you an email notification when a transfer reversal occurs. They may also temporarily unlink your bank account, especially after multiple failed transfers, requiring you to relink it before attempting a new deposit. To prevent a failed deposit, always ensure you have sufficient funds in your linked bank account for at least 5 business days after initiating the transfer, as it can take time for your bank to process the request. Double-check that your bank account is compatible with standard ACH transfers. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.